All right, so here's another great driver tip. What I like to do is make sure that my alignment is correct. So I'm going to take my Saber, line it up. There's a canopy at the back of the range right there. What's really important when you're working on your driver is ball position. So I've got indicators on my Saber. I'm going to put this right up here in front where it says ball, and then I'm going to take my setup. This way, if I'm trying to hit a fade, you'll see my stance move around this way, and it has the appearance that that ball position has moved further forward in my stance. If I'm going to hit a draw, I'm going to be aiming more out to the right, and you'll see that ball position change. I'm just going to hit a straight one for you. So like I always do, come in, take my grip well inside the ball. As I set up, I hover. As I hover, it allows me to find the proper setup. The proper setup is when I'm addressing the ball with the club face and I'm balanced. I feel pretty good here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a rip. Okay, just love the way that this quantum shaft feels in my driver. I love the way the link feels in my fairway wood. You don't have to have the exact same fairway wood and driver shaft. Try to find one that works best for you. Definitely find the one that allows your hands to feel that club face.